So let's talk about the basics of this app. This app is entirely made on Kotlin, not on Flutter. This is entirely based on Kotlin as the primary language. The entire app logic, including tracking, billing, analytics, and the database part, everything is basically done with Kotlin. For the UI, we used Jetpack Compose. While it's basically Kotlin, but instead of using XML, we use Kotlin for that. For the build and configuration, we use Kotlin DSL. For those build creator KDS and settings creators KDS, we used Kotlin DSL. And for the database part, we use SQL. And for communicating with the Firebase console, we used JSON files. So that's basically the rough idea about how my app is made. It's 90%, 95% of made by using just Kotlin, no Flutter. Okay, let's see the app itself. Okay, here we have the hub app and the tracker app side by side. This one is for the admin. This one is for the tracker himself. Okay, let's try doing some stuff here. As you see here, I'm already logged in, but I'll later show you how to log in. Okay, let's do a demo build here. Let's open the truck billing app. Here's the hub app. It means it is the control center of the whole app. Okay, let's create a new demo receipt and see what would happen. As I click the button here, we get the specific menu. We can put these things here. Let's do it. We can choose the client if we have already any client registered on the system. Let's say the driver, auto one, this one, and select item from the catalog. If we select items from the catalog, it's gonna automatically fill those fields. We only have to select the quantity. Let's add something like 10. Generate results. Okay, before generating, I added confirmation window to get confirmed by the admin before sending it to here on to the tracker. Confirm and save. It's gonna appear on tracker. As you see, it's immediately appeared on the tracker menu. For this one, we use FC messaging. As you see here, we get a pop-up menu message saying new job assigned, delivered for client 1. Also here we get the message new job assigned to client 1. Record goes here. If we flip it to white, it's gonna make it unpaid. If you flip it left, it's gonna be paid. As you see, it's automatically updated here with the FC messaging features. Unpaid. Also, when the tracker click on the order, he can see what's going on with the order. We can choose what tracker can see or what tracker can't see. As we do here, if we select items only, he's gonna lose the access to the billing prices. As you see here, it's disappeared. Okay, let's start the trip. When you press the start button, he started from Jaffna, and here we should get a message saying he started it. As you see here, we get the message, tracker has started delivery for client. Also, we got his location. For this part, we use Google Fused Location API to grab tracker's location and send it to the admin panel. As you see here, if we get to the fleet management, we can see the information about the tracker. Tracker is on delivery near Jaffna. Tracker got assigned to this specific one cargo. Tracker is online. And we can also check location. If we press check location, it's gonna update the new location. As you see here, we get the current location is near Jaffna. Okay, as you see here, we are on the tracker app built on the screen. Here we have two options to select: tracker or the main hub. Main hub means you are the admin. Tracker means you are a driver. If we select main hub, we have to insert the main hub secret code. That way, I make sure that no one can just access the hub without the secret code. And let's register this tracker at gmail.com. Register. Expire. Okay, let's register. Okay, waiting for the hub approval. There should be a message here. See, tracker111@gmail.com. Approve needs the admin password. For now, it's admin123. Verify access. Okay, here you are seeing the login procedure for both tracker app and the admin panel. Admin panel needs a special secret code in order to access the admin panel, and for the tracker app, we ask for the location access to be always allowed in order to track the location of the tracker randomly by the admin panel. When tracker asks for login, then the admin hub receives a confirmation message asking if we want to register this tracker as driver or not. If we approve here, then he's gonna be a tracker. If we just dismiss him, he can't log in on the tracker app. We have to turn on the battery optimization for this app to run in background and receive consistent messaging stuff. Here we are doing a demo build. Those drop-down menus are actually working once you build those catalog items. As you see here, even if the tracker app is not actively running in the background, we receive the FCM messages saying he got a new order to complete. And also the admin panel itself get the messages without the need of being actively running on the background. With that method, we can save some battery because it doesn't run always in the background. For the translation of receipts between the hub app and the tracker app, we use the compression method to compress the images up to 20%, so we can save some space on the server side. Because we are using just the free tier subscription, we can't go with the highest quality content. But anyways, it works perfectly, and we can see the text on the receipt without any struggle. As you see here, the admin panel can generate separate receipts, separate Excel files for each order, so that way we can share them if needed. When a trucker uploads a receipt from his side, trucker needs the approval of the hub to save it on the database. Otherwise, if the admin dismisses it, it doesn't go to the database and it simply gets rejected by the system. If the admin approved the receipt from the trucker, then it's gonna be saved in the local database of the app. With this tool, we can mimic a fake location on the trucker side. So using this tool, we're gonna change the trucker location to Miami and see if the admin panel can fetch the correct location from the trucker app. As you see here, we are closing the trucker app from the trucker side device. So it isn't running in the background. It's already cleared from the recent app. So that way we can ensure that the trucker app can send the location to the hub app when it asked, no matter whether if the trucker app is open or not. If you have any concerns about the privacy of the truckers, the truck drivers, the hub app cannot randomly fetch location of the drivers, because the admin panel has a button to check location of the drivers. The trucker app should be on an ongoing trip in order to trucker app to fetch location from them. Otherwise, when a driver is on the idle mode, admin panel cannot fetch his location. Admin panel will say like he's on idle mode, so you can't fetch his location. Admin cannot clearly access the location of the driver when he's on idle mode. On the settings menu, we got a button saying live backup. The purpose of this button is to make a secondary backup on our device to prevent any data loss in the future when the user of the app accidentally uninstall or do something on the app. It makes a secondary backup on the device storage, so we can ensure the data is secure and protected from any installation or any system clearance. With this fleet management menu in the settings, we can choose which things the trucker sees and which things the trucker can't see. All the things just updates instantly and sync between both apps seamlessly without any delay. We have item catalog, client catalog, and a driver catalog. Driver catalog is updating automatically if the admin choose to use the admin panel online mode. Otherwise that catalog also needs to be updated manually. We have some built-in search filters to the billing history. When you long press on a driver, we can suspend him or just delete him from the system. Both actions need admin passcode for security purposes. It ensures that the no driver is deleted or gets suspended accidentally. And on the stats page, we have some pretty useful stats to monitor the overall business. Also in the trucker side, we have a button saying go off duty mode. If the trucker toggles this on, the trucker is shown as an offline driver on the system. As a conclusion, the purpose of this app is to manage the bills, manage the orders, and manage the truckers of a small to medium-ranged trucking business. You can monitor the truckers, monitor the bills, and monitor the stats in a given period of time. There would be some bugs, there would be some issues with the app, but I have tested it over and over again to ensure that there are no major bugs in the system. So I hope it's gonna be a useful product for my client.